Hello there, warriors. Are you worried about wrinkles on your face? Do not fret. With a few wonderful drops of these golden elixirs, you can keep your skin nourished, young and healthy. Well, my dear chaps, this is no magical concoction. The only magic here is the splendid shine of youth upon your face, along with well-toned and nourished skin. From rejuvenating your skin cells and deeply nourishing the layers of our skin to cleansing the impurities and moisturizing the delicate layers, a few simple drops of these oils can do wonders to your skin. Without further ado, let's take a look at the marvelous effects of essential oils and making you look younger. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. When we talk about moisturizing our skin, we commonly associate water as the basic form of providing moisture to our skin. While water is effective at cleansing the impurities and grime that our skin collects throughout the day, washing our face in reality strips off the moisture from the pores of our skin, leaving it dry and prone to irritation. Moisture in terms of skincare relates to essential fatty acids, which replenish and maintain the film of lipids known as sebum in the layers of our skin, providing protection by preventing bacterial or fungal growth, keeping pores sealed, helping in regeneration and healing of skin cells, as well as improving the elasticity of the skin by preventing dry skin. The most enriched source of replenishing moisture in our skin is oil that is not only teeming with essential fatty acids, but also has a rich composition of vitamins, antioxidants, and other essential nourishing minerals and compounds. Oil does a lot more than replenishing moisture. It soothes any dry patches of skin and prevents irritation, while also fortifying the skin's protective barrier. The rich antioxidants help to combat free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and disease. Together with the rich sources of minerals, these antioxidants counter against aging symptoms and keep the skin young, nourished, and healthy. No more 12-step skincare routines. Include these following oils in your daily skincare and unleash the true youthful potential of your skin. Number 1. Argan Oil. Claimed as the beauty industry's hero, argan oil is also known as liquid gold. It is a natural oil derived from the kernels of the argan tree, which is indigenous to southwestern Morocco and is known by the locals as the Tree of Life. This luxurious elixir has been used in Morocco for centuries and continues to be cherished by Moroccans. It has caught attention because of its high concentration of incredibly beneficial nutrient compounds, such as vitamin E, phenols, and carotenes. Vitamin E helps to soothe skin and maintain healthy skin and eyes, as well as strengthening the immune system. Meanwhile, phenols and carotenes are super-powered plant-based compounds that act as highly effective antioxidants, preventing damage to our cells. Due to its exceptional moisturizing properties, argan oil is also used as one of the key ingredients in most beauty and skincare products. It is easily absorbed by the skin, turning it soft, supple, and radiant. It helps to retain skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of stress lines or wrinkles. The antioxidants in argan oil protect the skin from environmental damage like sun and air pollution. Just simply rub a few drops of argan oil between the palms of your hands and gently massage it over the face and neck in circular motions. You can also use this golden delight to nourish and strengthen your scalp, preventing hair fall or dandruff, and making your hair look just as young and lustrous. Number 2. Jojoba Oil. Jojoba oil is a unique one and is suitable for every type of skin, from oily to dry and acne-prone. Its characteristic composition closely resembles that of sebum, which is the protective layer of lipids in the middle and outer layers of our skin. This simple quality makes it an efficient moisturizer, as it fortifies the sebum layer with a non-greasy, lightweight barrier, which can effectively lock the moisture deep inside and prevent dehydration or irritation. Jojoba oil is also a rich source of vitamin E, making it an excellent protector of the skin, providing antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that fight against free radicals. It has a soothing effect and can calm irritated skin, alleviate rash or redness, and provides relief for skin conditions. As a cherry on top, jojoba oil's incredible antibacterial properties also aid to combat against acne-causing bacteria. A couple drops of jojoba oil are efficient in making your face or body glow with radiance and youth, and have a clear, acne-free, and well-moisturized skin. It can also be used to provide similar effects to our scalp and strengthen hair follicles. Number 3. Lavender Oil. Alright folks, who does not love the aromatic floral fragrance of lavender essential oil? What if I told you this simple yet powerful essential oil is not just a delightful nighttime calming scent to burn over a candle, but also an incredible addition to your skincare routine. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, lavender oil is an exceptional way to make your skin glow with the radiance of youth, while also giving your skin a luxurious floral scent. Lavender oil has effective soothing properties that can calm as well as aid in healing the skin cells. It is teeming with anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate redness, rash, irritation, and itching. These properties are quite powerful in healing skin scarred with acne, eczema, or sunburn. This fragrant oil is also a potent antioxidant, which makes it efficient in dealing with free radicals and protecting the skin from aging symptoms as well as environmental damage. Lavender oil is highly concentrated and has to be diluted before using. Don't be intimidated, using lavender oil is quite simple. Dilute a few drops of this aromatic elixir in an oil of your choice such as jojoba oil, almond oil or coconut oil, or any facial moisturizer or cream, and apply it to your skin twice a day. You can also make a soothing moisturizing toner infused with lavender oil by adding a few drops of lavender oil to a spray bottle filled with water. Simply spritz it over your face after cleansing to nourish and refresh the skin. Number 4. Rose oil. The beautiful layered flowers of rose have always been symbolic of beauty and youth. We have all heard of rose petals being used by kings and queens in their baths for everlasting youth and beauty. Rose oil is a distilled extract of the incredible nutrients that nourish the luxurious flower. It is remarkable in moisturizing and nourishing the skin, making it an excellent choice for dry or sensitive skin types. Rose oil is an exceptional source of vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids that help to fortify the layer of sebum and lock in the moisture. Regularly using rose oil can also provide elasticity and a luster to the skin, making it smooth, supple, and radiant. As a floral oil, rose has aromatic compounds and anti-inflammatory properties that combat irritation, redness, swelling, and itchiness, as well as soothe sensitive skin while imparting a lovely scent. It also boosts the production of collagen, which prevents the formation of stress lines or wrinkles and providing a youthful appearance. Similar to lavender, rose oil should be used by diluting in a facial oil such as jojoba oil or almond oil before applying to the skin. Number 5. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is an exceptional addition to your skin health. It has been renowned for centuries for its rich composition of powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which work diligently to combat all signs of aging, prevent acne, and improve the overall skin health. Incorporating rosemary oil in skincare will help to make your skin blemish-free, smooth, rejuvenated, and shine with a radiant glow. In short, rosemary oil provides the benefits of all the oils on the list, and more. Being highly concentrated and astringent, it has to be diluted before any topical usage. Dilute a few drops of rosemary oil in any facial oil of your choice, such as jojoba oil or almond oil, and apply all over the skin. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Number 6. Bab Oil. Bab oil has a powerful and rich composition of omega-3 fatty acids along with vitamins A, C, E, and D. It is also a potent antioxidant. This symphony of nutrients makes it a highly exceptional natural moisturizer. It nourishes the skin by providing a deep hydration which combats all signs of dryness, rash, irritation, and promotes a luxuriously soft and smooth complexion. Bab oil is the most effective when it comes to anti-aging properties, being a rich source of vitamin C, which can boost collagen production, improving the elasticity of the skin, and preventing stress lines or wrinkles from forming. Just simply rub a few drops of Bab oil between the palms of your hands and gently massage it over the face and neck in circular motions. It can also be used to provide similar effects to our scalp and strengthen hair follicles. These nourishing and luxurious elixirs can be used interchangeably to make your own topical oils, balms, or toners. Mix a few drops of lavender and rose in equal argan oil or baobab oil and jojoba oil, and you have the most beneficial facial oil. Or mix it in water in a spray bottle as a nourishing touch after washing your face. Include these luxurious elixirs in your daily skincare routine and watch the burden of age fade away as your skin shines with the radiance of youth. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors, with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.